Our lovely viewers, welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the membership management software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could kindly hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel. Creating roles. This is where you create the roles to be assigned to the system users. From the main window, click Staff Management, then Roles. Click Create Role. Type the role title. Select from the 4 main roles what roles you want to assign to the title mentioned above. From the drop-down list in each of the 4 main roles, select the specific roles assigned to the title mentioned above. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other roles. Creating users. This is where you create users for your organization. From the main window, click Staff Management, then Users. Select Create User. Select the user role from the drop-down list in Assign Role. Enter the name, email address, phone number and password for the new user. Click Create. Repeat the roles for the other users. Membership Plan. This is where you create the membership plans packages for your members. From the main window, click Membership Plan. Select Create Membership Plan. Click Create. Type the plan name, price, duration, billing frequency, benefits, access level, and description. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other membership plans. Members. This is where you add your subscribed members and their details. From the main window, click Member. Select Create Member. Enter the member details. Assign the new member to a membership plan. Set the start and expiry date for the plan. Set the plan to either active or inactive according to your preference. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other members. Membership. This is where the system lists all registered members for your organization. You can print the list or export in either of the formats presented. Payments. This is where the system displays and lists all payments made to your organization. You can print the list or export in either of the formats presented. For members indicating unpaid in the status section. If the member clears the payment, select the member. Go to Action, carefully click the I icon, not delete. Click Add Payment. Enter the payment details, and then proceed to pay. To print invoice, click Action, carefully click the I icon, not delete. Click Print Invoice. Select your printer, then proceed to pay. Events. This is where you create upcoming events for your organization. On the main window, click Events, then Event List. Select Create Event. Enter the event details, status, and a brief description of the event. Click Create. Repeat the cycles for the other events. Calendar. This is where the system lists all upcoming events for your organization. Activity Tracking. This is where one member of the organization is assigned the duty to track an upcoming activity. From the main window, click Activity Tracking. Select Create Activity Tracking. Select the member to be assigned and the respective event. Enter check-in and check-out date and time. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other activity trackings. Membership Suspension. If for any reason a member of the organization is suspended, we use Membership Suspension. From the main window, click Membership Suspension. Select Create Membership Suspension. Select the member name. Enter start and end date, and the reason for suspension. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other membership suspensions. Expense Type. This is where you list and create all expense types for your organization. You can print the list or export in either of the formats presented. From the main window, click Expense Type. Select Create Type. Type the name of the new expense. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other expense type. Expense. This is where you enter all expense incurred in your organization, the respective dates and details. From the main window, click Expense. Select Create Expense. Enter the name, select the type of expense from the drop-down list. Enter the date, amount, and details of your expense. Attach a receipt if available. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other expenses. Contact Diary. This is where you save all the contact details for your members. From the main window, click Contact Diary. Select Create Contact. Enter your member contact details. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other members. Notice board. This is where the owner puts a memo for all organization's system users. Please note, it's not meant for members. The system users can opt to share the memo with other members in another format. From the main window, click Notice Board. Select Create Note. Enter the notice details. Click Create. Repeat the cycle for the other notices. Packages. This is where the system displays the available subscription packages from us and their respective pricing. On the main window, click Pricing, then Packages. After reviewing the demo, if you want to subscribe to any of our package, in the last column, click the About button corresponding to the package you want. Proceed to pay using the payments options presented. You will automatically move to that subscription package. Likewise, if you opt to move from one subscription package to another. In the last column, click the About button corresponding to the package you want. Proceed to pay using the payments options presented. You will automatically move to that subscription package. Transactions. This is where the system displays the subscription transaction and their status. On the main window, click Pricing, then Transactions. You can print the list or export in either of the formats presented. Changing account name and email address. Click Profile, top right corner of the display. On the menu setting, bottom left, go to Settings, then click Account Settings. Edit your account name and email address, then click Save. Changing account password. Click Profile, top right corner of the display. On the menu setting, bottom left, go to Settings, then Password Settings. Edit your password settings, then click Save. Changing currency icon, date, and time format. Click Profile, top right corner of the display. On the menu setting, bottom left, go to Settings, then Company Settings. Go to the Currency icon tab, input your local currency symbol, then go to System Date Format, select your preferred format. Go to System Time Format, select your preferred format. Click Save. For technical support, please click on the comment section below or email info@membershipsoftware.online.